Hello everyone. So now in this module we will be learning about how to create photo frames and how to import an image format file to SketchUp. Okay, so basically first of all we can create a dimensional house, okay, a room. Okay, so we will be creating a room up here. It should be right nearly about we will be roughly placing the dimensions 10 feet, and here it is. So here is the portion up here. So here we are making the all the lines covered up. Okay, so here's the full cube. Okay, so now we will be hiding this. Okay, now I will be cutting a window up here, right up here. Actually it's quite big, so we will directly make up a square right here. Okay, we will be erasing this out. Okay, so this will be our window. Okay, this is our window and we will be providing it some kind of thickness. I think so it won't be provided from that end. Reverse face. Like we will be making a 4 inches wall up right here. Okay, so it will be from here to here. Control C. Okay, so now we will be making up a rectangle right up here. Okay, Control Z. So now we will be taking this end from here. Yeah, from here to here. Okay, so now it's done. Now we will be making a window here. Okay, so after this I am actually going to explain you about how you make the scenes. Okay, instead of applying any of the HDRIs or any of the things, how you can make the scene out there. Okay, okay, so we have drawn a rectangle up here. Okay, now we will be importing our file. Okay, first of all we will be going to Google and we will be downloading. You can download any kind of scenes. Okay, okay, we will be downloading JPEG format files for sky. This one is fine. Okay, save image. It will be saved as A3. Okay, save A3. Now minimizing. Now we will be applying this to this hole. Okay, so first of all we will be going to create material in SketchUp, then we will be going to this one. Okay, now we will be searching for A3. Okay, it's there. Open. Here it is. Okay, so you don't need to edit anything, you just need to apply it up here. Okay, now all you need to do is whenever you import any of these kind of files, it might appear in lot of bulk like it's appearing right now. So you have to simply just crop it down. Okay, like this, and then you have to just erase all the extra geometries. Okay, so now you have to just double click it up, and now you have to right click and make group. Okay, after making group you have to go to scale. Okay, now you will be just pulling it up from there to here. Okay, here it is, and from here to here. Okay, so from now, from inside the room you can easily visualize the yeah. So now from room you can easily visualize the outer. Okay, so in this way you can just create the atmosphere all around. Okay, like suppose you want to create a big atmosphere all around, then you have to just create a circle like this. Okay, then you have to just move it up from here to the center of wherever you want. Okay, so taking it to a bit center. Make group first of all, then just move it up here. Okay, now move it down. Okay, so here it is. Now you will be just going into inside. Okay, now you will be just pulling it up. Okay, so after just doing it, erase or hide the top. Okay, after hiding it, you just need to apply the whole image up here. Okay, you can do the best thing is you can go to edit, and then you can change here the dimensions. Okay, accordingly, like 50 feet. The bigger the image, the bigger it looks. Okay, you will be going inside the room. Okay, you will be seeing the whole scene. You will be able to see through the windows. Okay, you can also just make it up to 60 feet as well. It will be totally depending on you. In this way you can just create the whole roundabout scene. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is one of the methods for creating without using HDRIs and the other things. Okay, so now we will be moving on to the other things, like if you make any photo frames or something, then how to just get the photo for that particular frames. Okay, so we will be going to Windows, download an object from 3D warehouse. It will be a photo frame. Okay, so here it is, photo frame. We will be downloading this one. Okay, yes, so here it is, which is being downloaded. Okay, so we will be first of all rotating it. Okay, now we will be placing it to this wall over there. Okay, so here it is. Now what you need to do is, like if you want to import any picture over this, okay, any picture over this, you just first of all need to go to double click on it and go to, like, you need to edit the group. Okay, so first of all you need to apply the texture, the plain texture over it. Okay, now all you need is you need to create a rectangle up here, right up here, and make it using the move tool. Just make a copy, okay, in front of it, okay, which you have done. Yeah, here's the copy. So we will be reverse facing it up here. Okay, so now again going to edit. Now we will be importing some other new picture from Google only, like any of the image for wallpapers. Okay, any of like this. I want to use this wallpaper. Okay, we will be using save image. Okay, A4, save. Now going to SketchUp again, import A4, open. Okay, so now we will be applying this image over up here. So now we will be making up the boundaries of this whole image. So you can see it's being a bit cropped, not an issue. So if you don't do all this and you directly you want to increase its size like this, then it might get difficult, because it's again getting all the textures getting doubled up. So first of all, what we will be doing is we'll be double clicking over it, okay, and we will making it group. Okay, once the group is being made, you have to just take the image from any of the corners and just place it up right there. Okay, over there. Okay, so you can see okay, so the image is being placed. Now what we will be doing is we will be removing this rectangle up from here. Okay, now the image which is being placed, okay, control Z, one second. The image which is being placed now will be completely made up to this end. Then we will be synchronizing this image to the center, and from here we will be making it to the upper end. Okay, so now the image has been placed. So further we will be going to this group, okay, and we will be kind of hiding this for now. So now you can see the wallpaper which we have just taken up from there. So the whole wallpaper is being placed up as an image, or you can just use your image or anyone's image. So whatever, if you do any of these things, suppose you have created this one as like this, okay, and now you want it to be here. So now you want it to be here, okay. So what you are doing is it will be going from here to here, okay, and then from sorry, one second. We will be suppose if there's any rectangle being made like this, okay, so now we will be placing it up here, okay. And if we are doing things like we are making, whenever you are doing the edit part now, it's 8 inches, so you go to 5 feet, then also it won't appear. So if you make any of the changes like 10 feet, okay, then also you won't be getting the exact posture of that image, okay. So the better option for this one is just crop it down, okay, along the actual size you want, okay, and then you can easily enlarge it up accordingly. Control Z. You have to just check you are working on the image only. Yeah, so it's up there, okay. So here's the whole image. Now you can just easily go off it, and after making this, never go to this tool and just enlarge it up, because all the other figures will come out again, okay. So basically what you need to do is just make a group, then whatever you want to do, you can just even decrease the size of the image, or you can even increase the size of the image accordingly, okay. So thank you. This was for the image parts. If you want to import any kind of images, or any other, you want to make photo frames or any other texture you want to import, so you can easily import using this commands, okay. So thank you, keep watching the other videos.